Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for choosing to spend a little bit of your day with me and my sleepy sidekicks. If you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate you. If you are new, I'm Laura. This is Zena. Wyatt's over here too. I think you're only seeing some sleepy bums today. You're not actually seeing puppy dogs. I have my favorite lifestyle box to share with you. My Oceanista box is here. This is the winter collection. I love Oceanista. I am a beach girl at heart. Don't live anywhere near the beach, but I love it. So this is a little drop of beach sent to me each and every season that I so look forward to. It's the best subscription. This one comes with a value of $200. It is $95 a season. And you usually get 6 to 8 beach ocean inspired items, and they could be everything from home decor to apparel, jewelry, all kinds of goodies. So let's dig right into this and see what the winter box has in store for us. I'm so excited. Oh, love. All right. So that outer box is nothing compared to the inside box. So beautiful. It says, "Take me to the ocean." Let's see. Oceanista, check out the beautiful picture on the front. The girl at the beach with her little beach bag. It says, "Hello, sunshine." And over here, salty hair and sandy toes. These boxes are the best. I love them. It's so hard for me not to collect each and every one of them. All right, so let's dig into this box. Here's what I see as soon as I open it. The inside, look at the inside of the box. It gets even better. Do you not love this? It's so pretty. And it says, "Thank you. It's our pleasure to bring you the best in beach essentials. We hope you love our products." There's always a pamphlet that tells you about the items inside your box. And then you get your little bundle. So let's check this out. Bundle of goodies. All right. So first up, and I know there are some customizations, like sometimes there's different items that you could get. And I think there were a couple in this box. The first one is this pillow that I'm seeing right on top. There were two choices, Breathe or Seas and Greetings. I got the Seas and Greetings. How cute is that? It's like a little lumbar pillow. Let's open this up and check it out. Like I lost my scissors. It says that this is by Adams & Company, and the bask in comfort and be reminded of something inspirational. With Adams & Company's pillow, Oceanista's members were able to choose between two sentiments, the Seas and Greetings or Breathe, using different colors including white and blue. This pillow would match well with your other holiday accessories, designing home and holiday decor since 2002. This retails for $30. And the other side is just blue and white, so if you don't want the sentiment, you could just go plain. How cute is this? Adorable, right? Love it. Fits in with all of my pillow themes up here, which I love. We'll see it there so you can see it. But you could also have received the one that says Breathe. All right, so many more goodies. We're just getting started. Next up, we have an ornament. This is the Seize the Day ornament. How pretty is this? I love that. This is Set Sail by Kristen, handcrafted in California. The value of this is $16. That's beautiful. And it says, decorate your home to ring in the holiday cheer with this Oceanista exclusive beachy ornament, lovingly crafted by Kristen Royster of Set Sail by Kristen. It's handmade with laser engraved wood painted with watercolors and resin. It's a refreshing natural touch to your tree. That's beautiful, right? Love that. All right, next up, oh, this looks pretty. Let's see if I can get it all the way open here. Yep. This is cute. This is a bracelet. How pretty is that? There's always, almost always jewelry, beauty products. There's always such an amazing variety in this box that you can't help but love it. Absolutely love it. So this one is by Ginger and Glow, the Sea Sediment and Heshi bracelet from the Bimini collection. So it says that this is valued at $25, and it says Oceanista is extremely delighted to feature Jennifer Dean's handmade bracelets in our box this season. She designed this piece exclusively for our members, and we love that you can add a couple drops of your favorite essential oil to the lava beads, reminding you of the sea this winter. Oh, that's amazing. So you just add your favorite essential oil to the beads. How pretty is that? Goes with what I have on right now. In love. In love. So Jennifer, who is from Ginger and Glow, said that my creative side came out when both kids were older, so her kids, and I was looking for something to keep me busy. My love for essential oils drew me to start making diffuser bracelets. I wanted to make something useful and reminded me of the ocean. So there's more about this, which you guys could read about on your own, but I think that's pretty cool. Love it. All right, what else have we got? This is the Hanua Hawaiian Skincare Hibiscus Beauty Booster. And it says that the Hanua Hawaiian Skincare's founder, Kapua Browning, has been working on this product for several years with the goal of integrating deeply hydrating ingredients and powerful Hawaiian antioxidants with an instant glow boost for all skin types and ages. Boost your hydration and glow factor with this new hydrating antioxidant beauty booster featuring a blend of 3 potent ingredients: hyaluronic acid, astaxanthin, and hibiscus. And this retails for $54. Wondering if it has a smell. Not really, a little bit. So that'll be nice to try. So it delivers instant service and deep layer hydration. It's a rich, powerful antioxidant sourced with Hawaiian marine algae and reduces cell damage and inflammation. And it also is supposed to give you tighter skin and reduce fine lines. Sounds like a miracle cure. All right, we still have more. Check this out. I always love whenever she sends paintings. This is no different, and there's always only so many made, right? So this is another painting, or a little picture, I should say, drawing. This one is called Still Waters, and Bryn Casey is the artist, and she's a Georgia-based artist living just north of Atlanta with her husband and 2 pups and a baby boy. And this is a limited edition print. There was only, this is print number 219 of 460. Obviously, you can frame this up, put this in your home. How pretty is that? And this is 6 by 6, 6.6 by 8.5. It's and as I said, limited edition, and it's on matte paper. So it's installed on 8 by 10 mat so that you're ready to pop it into a frame. It retails for $55. That's so pretty. Okay. The last item is the Oceanista Dip Dye Kimono. And there were 2 versions of this that you could choose from. And it looks like I may have both to share with you, which I'm super excited about. This is valued at $34, and It comes in dawn or dusk, so this is the dawn, and it is machine washable. You hang it dry. It's one size fits all, and it's 55 by 26. So I'm really excited to get this out. Let's do this. Check out the colors in this one. So pretty. The blues, that little hint of the pinky peach. See that? How pretty is that? All right, so it is a true kimono. There's the back. It does have, let's see, it does have an attachment. So it does have like a sleeve. How pretty is that? I'm going to back you up just a little bit. Isn't that pretty? A nice little extra layer here, right? All right, and then I have I think I have the other one for you too. So let me see here. I get to show both of them to you. I'm excited. Yep. So this one is the dawn version. This was actually my pick if I had to choose between the two, since it is the fall winter time frame. How pretty is this? I think they're both gorgeous though, so I'm so excited to be able to have them both to share with you. So let me hurry up and swap these out so you can see what this one looks like. Wyatt's so sweet. He just lets me put clothes all over him. He's so easy to get along with. This one matches my outfit today. How pretty is this one? I like that it does have the like closure here, so it creates a true arm for you. I think that looks really pretty. These colors are just so pretty. All right, and that is a wrap on all of the items in my Oceanista. What did you think? It was awesome, right? Between the bracelet, the kimono, the Miracle Beauty Booster, which I can't wait to try, the Christmas ornament that I would leave out all year round because it's just absolutely gorgeous, right? You could just leave this out all the time, hang it on something, and use it as decor, as well as the print and the pillow. It's such useful, amazing pieces that you can wear these kimonos all year round as well. So amazing, amazing pieces. I think she did a great job. So huge shout out to JJ, who is the inspiration creator behind the Oceanista box. I know she works really, really hard to pull these boxes together each and every season. So an amazing job. I loved it. I will put all the information down below for you in case you would love to give Oceanista a try or gift it. Would make an amazing gift for those beach lovers in your life. If you use my code, which is happy20, you'll get $20 off your first box. So fun, so fun. As I said, I think this would make a perfect gift. Can't wait to hear what you thought about this box. Please do comment down below. What was your favorite part of it? Your favorite item? What do you think? Which of these two do you like better? The dusk or dawn? Which color combo do you like? I like them both. They are really pretty. Yeah, and share your thoughts. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like before you go. Would love it if you'd hang out and join the happy crew and hit that subscribe button. And for those who already have, a huge thank you. I have the most amazing subscribers. And until next time, Bye, everybody.